For the last couple of years, Reidsville's Eastern Eagles have been on the come-up. In the 2 years, head coach Jason Jackson has been leading the Eagles. He's brought the team to the regional finals and the first home playoff win in Meigs County history. Since then, Eastern has moved up from Division 7 to D6 and had a couple changes in personnel.
You have, players like Brandon Oldaker and Riley Barrett. Brandon was a Defensive Player of the Year for D7, and Riley rushed for 3,000 total yards in his career. Was a leading scorer. It's next to impossible to replace good quality kids like that.
But Jackson also says the team and coaching staff have been working on underclassmen development, even before Oldaker and Barrett flew the coop.
When I was a freshman, I got built up by Bryce Downs, Blake Guffey, Tabor Lackey, all those guys. When I went back to Eastern, Brandon, Riley, those guys all helped me back into the swing of things and how it was done here. So now, the seniors as us feel that we need to take that place and just help kids.
And now the upperclassmen couldn't be more excited to continue playing violent, selfless, and positive football.
I'm just looking forward to having another great year with a great group of guys. It's my senior year. It's my last ride with these guys. I've been playing football for 7 years now, and we really started a great thing these last 2 years with Coach Jackson. It all starts with being violent. We're a violent team.
We're all hungry. We all want to win.
Reporting for Gridiron Glory, I'm Conor Mallonn.